Se, store solvennen leker med supergrønne plantejungelen rundt meg. Dette er jo naturfrihet. Kunstneren koser seg ute i jungelnaturen. Det er fantastisk, det er helt nydelig. Det er som en fantastisk kjærlighetsdrøm av planterikhet. Og et fint alternativ til superfrodige malerikunstatelieret mitt med hundrevis av malerier. Og let's see each other on Instagram, Facebook, Hans Petter Stuberg Art, TikTok, and the brand new X of the genius Elon Musk. Look at this. It's a beautiful, colorful jungle. Sun jungle, sun plant jungle. With a visual artist just loving it. Freedom, peace and nature love. Be kind to each other. Help each other. And you guys, you brothers, be kind to all of our sisters, our beautiful sisters. Women freedom, women respect. This colorful world. One world, one love. Rainbow flag is going to be the world flag. Freedom, color freedom, and respect to the women and all of us together. Peace and nature love. Look at this. It's a beautiful, the most beautiful of greens in the jungle nature. Can you hear the wind in the trees? Openness. Visual artist. Color freedom.